Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and I welcome you to this insightful video. Today, we will delve into a hot topic among maintenance and operations teams. Should you measure wrench time at your facility? We'll be looking at the reasons why companies consider this metric and the potential pitfalls if it's not used appropriately. We'll also introduce you to the day in the life of, or DILO approach, a popular method to track wrench time. So gear up for some valuable insights that will help you enhance your team's productivity and efficiency. So you're wondering, should you measure wrench time at your facility? Well, it all boils down to your intentions. Generally, companies measure wrench time for two main reasons. Firstly, they want to ensure their maintenance technicians are working hard enough. Secondly, they want to verify that their technicians are able to work as much as they should. Now, if you're leaning towards the first reason, you might want to rethink your strategy. If your sole aim is to ensure your staff aren't slacking off, well, you're likely to hit a wall. This approach could lead to suspicion or resentment among your team, and they may not be as cooperative as you'd like. Let's face it, most maintenance workers want to be productive. Standing idle isn't fulfilling for anyone, but sometimes they may not have a choice. And this is where the second reason comes into play. If there are hurdles preventing your technicians from actually working with their tools and completing tasks, tracking wrench time can be a useful tool to identify these obstacles. One popular method used to track wrench time is the day in the life of, or DILO approach. This method provides a wealth of insight into potential obstacles. Essentially, you shadow a technician and track the time spent on various tasks. These tasks often include waiting for work orders, getting replacement parts, traveling to work sites, shutting down equipment, consulting manuals, retrieving manuals, restarting equipment, closing out work orders, receiving training, taking breaks, attending meetings, and of course actually completing assigned tasks, which is what we refer to as wrench time. Now, you might be surprised to learn that the average amount of wrench time at plants is only about 25 to 35%, and more often than not, this isn't the fault of your technicians. It's likely because your technicians are spending too much time dealing with inefficiencies in your maintenance processes, leaving them with less time to perform their assigned work. So to wrap it up, tracking wrench time can indeed be beneficial, but only if you use it as a tool to identify and rectify inefficiencies in your processes, rather than as a means to pile on additional accountability onto your employees. Remember, the goal is to improve processes and productivity, not to micromanage your team. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of measuring wrench time, the reasons behind it, and the effective DILO approach. Remember, the goal is not to micromanage, but to improve processes and productivity. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For additional resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you enhance your team's productivity and efficiency.